104 divided by 2. Here 2 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 2. 2 times 0 0, 2 times 1 2, 2 times 2 4, 2 times 3 6. To find out the multiplication table of 2, just add 2 with the previous step. 0 plus 2 2, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 2 12. This process will continue. 2 goes into 1 how many times? 0 times. 0 times 2, 0, subtract 1, bring down the next digit. 2 goes into 10 how many times? 2 goes into 10 5 times. 5 times 2 10, subtract 0, bring down the next 0 4 means 4. 2 goes into 4 how many? 2 goes into 4 how many times? 2 times. 2 times 2 4, subtract 0. So our answer is 0 5 2 means 52. 52 is our answer.